Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to create a WeChat account in Pakistan. First, head over to the Google Play Store. From there, download the WeChat app. Once it's downloaded, open the WeChat app. If, like me, you're already signed in with an account, just continue to log in. Otherwise, click on More Options and select Sign Up. This will open a new window for you to create an account. Enter your name and select your region. Scroll down to find Pakistan, look for the P and select it. Then, enter your phone number, create a new password, and confirm that you've read the terms of service. Follow the instructions to verify your email and complete the setup. By now, you should have your new WeChat account ready to go. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.